Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple videos on Instagram story. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Instagram stories have become an integral part of the platform, allowing users to share short snippets of their daily life with their followers. One popular feature on Instagram is stories. It's the ability to add multiple videos in one story. So how to do it if you want to add multiple videos on your Instagram story? It's so simple. So first, you need third app to upload the story. So here's I'm using CapCut. You can open your CapCut. Now you can just tap on new project. After that, I will skip this. You can just choose on the video that you want to add to your story. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. Here's for the background, I think. I just delete this. You can add the videos, multiple video by tap on overlay. Add overlay, you can choose on the video that you want to add to the story. I will choose this one and also this one and also this one. So here we have three video. You can just arrange the video like this, and if we play, the video will be turned out like this. Now I will just trim the video. Now we can just save this clip, this video. For that, I will mute for this one and also this one. Now you can export the video. And after that, you can just upload this to your Instagram story. Because Instagram doesn't have the feature to collage video, you can just edit the video on your CapCut or your another editing app. Now you can just share it. So simple, right? So that is how to add multiple photos or multiple videos on your Instagram story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.